Hello, I'm Ambassador of Azerbaijan. My name is Ashraf Shekhaliyev, and it is my privilege to invite you to the seminar on doing business in Azerbaijan with Expand Worldwide. Me and distinguished Mr. Manish Bhatia will be honored to welcome you
to a seminar on Nigeria, a land of limitless opportunity, in association with Expand Worldwide, and it is going to hold on 8th November at Nigeria High Commission, Chandragupta Marg, Chanakya Puri. I want to say that this is the second time that the event is being held, and we decided to repeat the event because of the success of the first one that we held earlier. I want to thank Mr. Manish Bhatia for the success of the first one.
Expand Worldwide is a brainchild of Mr. Manish Bhatia, who is consistently striving for bridging Africa and India for stronger relationships in terms of business relations, joint ventures, collaborations, helping Indian business houses to look for more opportunities in Africa. His team has successfully executed previous business events with the High Commissions of Nigeria, Tunisia, Czech Republic, and Rwanda in the past.
As for Mr. Manish Bhatia, he's also very familiar with Ghana. We're happy with the way he loves Africa, and he's moving to let business in India understand each other.
Greetings from the Ghana High Commission in Delhi. My name is Michael Okwe Jr., the High Commissioner of Ghana to India. And we want to introduce to you Ghana, a land of golden opportunities. This is the second edition, which is to do with a seminar on gold mining, oil and gas exploration, steel mining, and this event takes place on Thursday, the 8th of August 2019 at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And this will be held at the Ghana High Commission, Chania Kapuri in New Delhi, India. Ghana High Commission is doing this in association with Expand Wide, which is organizing this seminar on gold, oil and gas, and steel, who are helping put Ghana on the map to improve Indo-Ghana relations.
I'm very glad to welcome all of you to the Ghana High Commission in New Delhi for the eventful seminar on Ghana, a land of golden opportunities. This is the second edition. The very first edition was organized at the same place last year on 17th July with the Association of Expand Worldwide. We would like to give a warm thanks to the High Commissioner of Ghana in India and His Excellency, Mr. Michael Okwai, for giving us the opportunity to organize the seminar on GOGS, which is, I'm sure all of you know, gold mining, oil and gas exploration, and steel industry. Ghana is blessed with abundant oil and gas, gold, and iron ore resources. So firstly, we would like to thank Fomento Group, based in Goa, owned by the Timlo family, and the leading players in mineral resources in India. Onkar Jewelers. The company is based in New Delhi and is owned by Mr. J.P. Singla and Mr. Rakesh Singla. The company has already established a gold refinery in New Delhi. Next, we have Maheshwari Mining Private Limited. The company is based in Kolkata. Their experience counts for more than 30 years for their innovative and dynamic expertise as one of the leading players in the underground mining development. Next, we have one of the biggest companies in India, Aditya Birla Group. They operate in various sectors like metals, telecom, mining, fashion, finance, renewable energy, retail, trading, agriculture, and much more. Today, we have with us Mr. Anirban Bose to represent the company. Next, we have JP Sand and Aggregates International Private Limited. The company is based in Kochi, Kerala, God's own country. The company is involved in mining and quarrying and have business establishments in many parts of the world. We also have IRC Engineering. Thank you so much for being here with us. This is an engineering company working in the fields of oil and gas. We have Mr. Abhinav Singhi, director of the company, here with us today. Here's India Limited. The company is well known all over the world for their various successful achievements related to providing the best of engineering and technical services for petroleum refineries and industrial projects.
I would like to start by also wishing Expand Wide. We want to express our profound gratitude to you, who have been the drive behind this event in conjunction with the team from the Ghana High Commission.
Time to come here, everyone, and I'm Anju Yadav from NDTV. We are very privileged to be graced by the presence of the Honorable Minister of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration of Ghana, Ms. Shirley Ayodeji Bojwi. Please join me in welcoming the Honorable Minister. Thank you so much, Ram. Also, I'd like to thank the Honorable High Commissioner of Ghana, His Excellency Michael Aaron Ingorte Okwe, for creating this unique opportunity for Indian business leaders to meet the Minister through the seminar. Thank you so much, sir. Please put your hands together once again to welcome Mr. Ajay Jain. He is the President of Essential Oil Association of India, a premier organization of scientists, industrialists, manufacturers in the field of essential oils.
The Foreign Minister of Ghana, Madam Honorable Shirley Ayodeji Bojwi.
Thank you very much, High Commissioner. Let me acknowledge all of you present here, captains of industry.
Came through SME program. Mr. Manish Bhatia, who is
Good morning, all. A very warm welcome to you all. My name is Manish Bhatia. I'm founder of Expand Worldwide. I'm very glad to welcome you all on a virtual meeting in the eventful webinar of business and investments opportunities in Bulgaria. I would like to give a very warm thanks to Mr. Ilya Dekov, Minister, Head of Economic Affairs.
Good morning to all of you. Thank you, Mr. Bhatia. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attending the webinar on business and investment possibilities in Bulgaria. And allow me first to thank once again Mr. Manish Bhatia and his consulting company for organizing the event. I hope all of you are doing well during these difficult times. The pandemic of COVID-19 definitely changed the world, and there is no doubt it's an enormous challenge for all of us.
Your Excellencies, the heads of mission of Ghana, Rwanda, Zambia, and Gambia are present. I'm very happy that you came. I can see you there. Your Excellency, Ambassador Sachdeva, former High Commissioner of India to Nigeria, Mr. Manish Bhatia, the coordinator of this seminar, Mr. Jitendra Sachdeva, Chairman Skippers Limited, Captains of Industries.
Very soon. Congratulate Manish Bhatia. He doesn't speak much, but his work speaks for himself. Manish has done some splendid work in terms of events, and his company is called Expand Worldwide, and he's actually a very fantastic human being and truly a bridge between the global trade between countries, and he's worked with Ghana, Rwanda, Czech Republic, Tunisia, and Essential Oils Association in the FMCG sector, whether it's pharmaceutical, promoting brands to everything, and we're very happy, Manish. Thank you so much for getting us together, all of us. Now I invite the next speaker for the evening, Chief General Manager, Exim Bank. Please welcome Mr. David Sinate.
But the new order should be now not just India, Ghana, India, Nigeria, India, whichever country, but Africa-Asia partnership.
Our company is 31 years old. It was started in 1988.
How's the Josh? Today, my annual revenue only from Dangote Group is about $15 million. We have over $140 million projects, including the 450 megawatt power plant at Dangote Refinery, which we are constructing. Similarly, fortunately, we are sitting next to Exim Bank, where the Chief General Manager is here.
Friends from the industry and media, it's my honor and privilege to introduce Knoll Healthcare Private Limited as one of the leading in pharmaceutical companies.
A big round of applause, the man who brought everyone together here. Manish, thank you very much.